Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the Copilot integration into the Microsoft Store. So as you probably know, Microsoft is adding Copilot to everything. It's already in Windows, it's in Office, it's in Notepad, it's in Photos. It's all over the place. So now they have it in the Microsoft Store. So let's say you're browsing for a new app and you want to scroll down here. Let's say we're going to check out this Sketchbook Pro, which is 25 bucks, and we want to get some information before we actually install it. So if we click on it, you'll get this Ask Copilot thing with some suggestions here, such as tell me more about this application. You click on that, it'll open up Copilot and have the question in there already for you, ready to go, and give you some information. And then it'll have some other suggestions. And then once you click on something, you can run it and then ask a follow-up question just like you normally can. But one nice feature is if you want to do a comparison. So let's click to select this product. And then it says navigate to the second product and select it. So let's say we want to do this Sketchable Plus. So this could be a little tricky. Sometimes it loads them both, sometimes it doesn't. All right, so now we're on Sketchable Plus. So now it wants to go back and select this as the second product. So it's a little confusing. So it might take you a little bit to kind of get them both loaded. So let's see what this does here. All right, so now it's going to compare the following products: Sketchbook Pro and Sketchable Plus. So the two ones that we selected there. So just click on the start there, and you can see it gives you a little overview, a little chart with the comparisons, main features. So that might come in handy if you're trying to compare a couple apps on the Microsoft Store before you buy them. Of course, with the free apps, you just try them, and if you don't like them, you want to install them. But then, if you need to pay for something, it might be a little different story. All right, so once again, just find the app you're interested in. Click on the Copilot icon here. Either use one of their suggested questions here, or choose the Compare Products feature. Load your two products, and then it'll run a comparison for you. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.